Hello everyone, welcome back to the data science exam series. Today we are going to cover question number 6, that is important modeling question, in which part A we will learn how the coefficient and linear regression are calculated using the closed form and solution and gradient descent. And in part B we will learn logistic regression and calculate probability using the logistic function. So let's start it. So question number 6, A part is describe how the coefficients and linear regression are estimated using either the closed form equation or gradient descent. So what is linear regression? Linear regression builds a linear relationship between input x and output y. The formula looks like y equals to wx plus b, where w is the slope and b is the intercept. So method 1 is closed form, which is normal equation, where here the situation is written. In matrix form, we can directly calculate optimal weights using this formula written on the screen. It gives the exact solution without alteration. And that's why it's called the normal equation. So what's the advantage here is no tuning, direct mathematical solution. So disadvantage is matrix inversion is slow if features are high. Method 2 is gradient descent. Gradient descent method. If data is large, we use gradient descent. If we start with random value of w and b and gradually update them in the direction of minimum error. So this is the formula written used for gradient descent method, where alpha is the learning rate. So gradient descent gradually reduces errors and find optimal coefficients. The advantage here is works even for large feature sets and suitable for online learning. This is the solution of question number 6, A part. Now we are moving ahead with the B part of this question. Question number 6, B part is explain logistic regression and use the logistic function to calculate the probability of a class for a given input example. Here the logistic regression is used for binary classification. Instead of predicting continuous output, it predicts probability between 0 and 1. So logistic function, which is sigmoid function, which is written on the screen, formula is written, where z equal to wx plus b. After applying sigmoid function, the output becomes probability. So let's calculate the probability. For example, suppose w equal to 0.5 and b equal to -1, and input x equal to 4. So on compute linear score z value, which is 0.5 into 4 minus 1. The solution is 1. Now compute probability using sigmoid function. Put the value in the sigmoid function and we got the result as 73%. Probability of class is 0.73. So decision rule is what? If probability is greater than or equal to 0.5, then class equal to 1, else class equal to 0. So here predicted class equal to 1. So what we covered yet? Linear regression minimizes MSE, closed form uses normal equation, gradient descent updates weight iteratively, where logistic regression uses sigmoid function and output probability between 0 and 1. Okay friends, that's the question number 6. I hope now you clearly understand how coefficients are calculated in linear regression and how logistic regression predicts probability. In the next video, we will solve question number 7 and discuss K means clustering and K in an algorithm. So don't miss that part. Thank you.